Hello, I'm Graham Fold, UK Sales Manager for Taylor Hobson. This short clip has been filmed at the Farnborough International Air Show. I would like to introduce you to Talleyrand AEROStack Systems. This range of instruments enables optimised builds of jet engines. Individual rotors can be measured and the results are exported to the TallyStack optimisation software. This will then enable the most efficient build of the engine with the inventory of parts available. Some of the key benefits of Talleyrand AEROStack Systems are higher first build yields, reduced measurement times with increased throughput, increased accuracy and repeatability, full automation which reduces operator training, and consistency between operators in different locations. Thank you for listening.